In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Figma. By the end, you will know how to move a project to the team's trash and, if needed, permanently delete it. I will walk you through the flow, share what each action actually does, and point out a few things to double-check so you don't remove the wrong project. First, head to the Figma file browser. This is the main dashboard where your teams, projects, and files live. In the sidebar, click on the team that contains the project you want to remove. Once you are on the team page, select all projects so you can see everything organized under that team. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct team space, especially if you are part of multiple teams now. Locate the project you wish to delete. It helps to check the project's name and thumbnail so you are absolutely sure you've got the right one. When you are ready, right-click the project and choose Move to Trash. Figma will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and select Move File to Trash. This step doesn't wipe anything out immediately. Instead, it moves the entire project to the team's trash. That means the project and its contents are no longer visible in your active workspace. But they're still recoverable for now. If you change your mind later, you can restore it from trash. Or, if you are certain, you can proceed to remove it permanently. If your goal is to permanently delete the project, return to the file browser and click Trash in the sidebar. This is the holding area for everything that's been removed from the active team view. Find the project you just moved there. You can right-click it, or click the small arrow next to the project name to open the options. Select Permanently Delete. Figma will prompt you again to confirm, and that confirmation will remove the project from Figma forever. Here is no undo after this point, so make sure you've double-checked the project name and confirmed that no one on your team still needs access. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. If you don't see the option to delete or permanently delete, you may need the appropriate permissions on that team or project. Also, consider notifying collaborators before you remove a project, so no one is caught off guard. And remember, the trash step is there for safety. Use it to stage deletions until you are absolutely sure. That's it. Thanks for watching.